Hello 3D printing friends, I got something cool in the mail the other day. That's right, it's the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box. This time it is the May 2019 edition. May the 4th be with you. Stick around and we'll open it up and see what's inside right after this. I'm Brian, and you are watching BV3D. Hey, welcome back. So, we're here today with the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box. This is the May 2019 edition. I want to talk a little bit about the box, and then we'll open it up and see what's inside. So, this is a monthly subscription box for people who are into 3D printing. Every month, you get 4 20-meter samples of filament. The filament types vary. Sometimes it's PLA, PETG, flexible materials, and the filament manufacturers vary and the colors vary. So every month you get a nice variety of things to try to see what you like to print with. You get a 3D printing related accessory. There is a project that has parts that you print, and if the project requires electronics or other components that are not printable, those are included in the kit. All of that is included in the $36 a month price, as is shipping in the US. So 36 bucks a month, free shipping, and that's actually pretty cool. So in addition to all of that, one lucky subscriber every month is going to get what's called the Mothership Box, and that's kind of a grand prize thing with the UFO Mystery Box. So that's an accessory that's a much higher value accessory. Now, Alien3D also has a smaller product, and that is the filaments only box. So instead of getting the project and the accessory, you only get the 4 20-meter filament samples, and that product is $17 a month, and again, free shipping in the US. Like the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box, one subscriber to the filaments only box will get a grand prize for the month, and that's called the Scoutship Box. And essentially what that is one subscriber to the filaments only box will instead receive the full UFO Mystery Box with the project and the accessory. Well, now that we've gone over that, let's open the box up and we'll see what's inside. Now this box is physically larger than some of the other ones that we've received. Usually they're more of a shoebox type size. Let's see what we've got. We have some Prusa Research Prusament, the PETG Carmine Red. That looks like some fun stuff. Set that right here. We have some Tallman t-glase Industrial Transparent Blue. I don't know if that's PETG, but it's kind of printing in the PETG temp ranges. That I will have to look into. We have some MatterHackers Build Series PLA Silver. That looks nice. Set that right there. And we have some ZYLtech PLA Bronze. I like that as well. Let's see. We have a Vader Egg, which contains some little Darth Vader head candies. I will let my kiddo have those. She will appreciate that. We have some parts and accessory stuff. Let's look at the trifold and see what we got. All right, we have our May 2019 UFO Forcified Unidentified Filament Objects. Materials contained within may make you think you have the powers of a Jedi Master or Sith Lord, but you must first pass the test, young Padawan. Warned you have been. All right, so inside we have information about the filament manufacturers and the filaments that are included, which is cool. This accessory down here is a folding photo studio light kit box. Josh says, what do we do after we print something? We show it off. While this light box is for our smaller prints, I found that the LED strip is quite bright and useful for getting photos to post on social media and online stores. Welcome to the light side of the Force. And the project parts, and that seems to be these night lights. We'll see the back for details in just a moment. The Mothership prize this month appears to be a Bondtech extruder. That is cool. All right, so looking around the back for the project, Dan, Alkesh1 on Twitter, has done an amazing job again this month with the night light sabers. 2 night lights should be in your UFOs, and the instructions and 3D printable parts are available on the reveal page linked below. Multiple versions are available for printing, and the 2 translucent colors in the box this month should make great sabers. Links to the files at alien3d.us/UFO011. May the 4th be with you. All right, so we are going to be printing some lightsaber night lights with these night lights. So that's pretty cool. And then this is the photo box. So that's awesome. All right, well, I'm going to get this stuff packed away back in the box. We'll wrap this up. Well, there we go, another awesome Alien 3D UFO Mystery Box. You know, I'm looking forward to printing those nightlight sabers that Alkesh1 designed. I think my daughter would really enjoy one of those in her room. Well, that's about all the time we have for the episode today. Thanks for making it all the way to the end. And thank you very much to all of you who like, share, subscribe, and comment on these videos. I really appreciate you. Now, if you liked this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But either way, leave your thoughts down in the comments. And if you like the content that I'm producing, please consider supporting the channel with a one-time micropayment. You could buy me a coffee or leave a little something in the PayPal tip jar. Links for both are in the description. Well, now that I've got some cool new filament samples and some projects to work on, I'm going to go print something cool. You do the same, and I'll see you next time.